This educational video is being brought to you by your GAF Master Elite Residential Contractor. They have earned this GAF Master Elite distinction based on a commitment to quality installation and your satisfaction. Simply, you will learn how to avoid mistakes that can cause you tremendous frustration and waste thousands of dollars. Most importantly, you'll learn how to make not only your safest choice, but also your best choice in solving your roofing needs.
The weather. It's every news reporter's dream. There always seems to be a big weather story. In the many years that I've been reporting the news for a national network, I've seen firsthand what the forces of nature can do to people's lives, their property, and especially their biggest investment, their home. Even worse, literally thousands of smart, hard-working people make serious mistakes in their roofing decisions, completely unaware that it could result in the loss of thousands of dollars, and that these unfortunate roofing decisions can even affect their family's health, and they have no idea that these problems are related to their roof. Do you know what businesses cause the most calls to the Better Business Bureau? Mortgage companies, work-at-home offers, roofing companies, moving and storage companies, and general contractors. So not surprisingly, there are likely more lawsuits for roofing problems than any other construction category. That's the bad news. The good news is you're watching an educational video because you want to avoid the common mistakes that uninformed consumers often make. And that's important, because a good roofing decision can do more than just keep the water out. Your good decisions can increase the value of your home, lower your heating and air conditioning bills, help avoid the growth of dangerous mold that can affect your family's health. And believe it or not, it can even extend the life of your home's paint and wallpaper, saving lots of money and avoiding time-wasting headaches. Even better news is that you are considering a professional roofing system from a certified Master Elite residential contractor. For lots of people, choosing the right contractor is an exercise in pain and frustration. But your factory-certified Master Elite contractor can help you avoid the problems that may have caused your neighbors grief. That's because your Master Elite contractor is committed to providing you with your best and safest choice and a superior investment. Fortunately, there are many great roofing choices, and there is nobody who can tell us more about them than Joanne Liebler, who for more than 15 years has been giving great advice to consumers all over North America about roofing and remodeling on national television. Joanne, welcome.
Well, thank you, Jim. I've seen a lot of construction projects over the years and a lot of mistakes. And I got to tell you, it's smart for homeowners to avoid being penny-wise and pound-foolish when it comes to their roof. It's critical, especially for a replacement roof, to make sure they choose a qualified contractor who will use the best materials, backed by a financially strong and reputable manufacturer who's still going to be around 20 or 30 years from now.
Well, we have a model here so that you can show us what a smart homeowner needs to know about investing in a replacement roof.
Jim, many people think that a new roof is just nailing on a bunch of new shingles. But architects, home builders, building code officials, and experienced professional contractors know that the best roofs are really an integrated system that will always give a homeowner better protection. Now, an integrated system is where all of the parts of the roof have been designed specifically to work together. It's like buying a car that had parts from different manufacturers. You just wouldn't do it. So if you don't use an integrated system and the roof fails, you're only going to have hassles with different warranties from different manufacturers, and each one will say it's the other one's product that was defective and caused the failure of the whole system.
Okay, take me through it then. What things will your Master Elite contractor most likely recommend to protect your home? And where do some contractors cut corners because they figure you won't know the difference?
Okay, a certified Master Elite contractor typically recommends the Weather Stopper Integrated Roofing System from GAF Materials Corporation. Professionals that really care about protecting your home use it because they know it's a great system. And that's why GAF is now by far the largest roofing manufacturer in North America. The products in the Weather Stopper system are integrated for superior performance. And that also means your Master Elite contractor can provide an extremely strong warranty.
Well, what are the components of this integrated system?
First, your certified Master Elite contractor wants to protect those really hard to seal spots that are typically the most vulnerable to leakage. Over time, Jim, the foundation of your house settles, and that causes your whole house to shift a little bit.
Right.
That's what often causes those small little cracks that you see in your walls. But the same type of settling can occur on your roof and cause cracks. Now that can cause leaks like in the valleys, around chimneys, and other vulnerable areas.
Right.
So a Master Elite will likely install extra protection with a waterproof leak barrier. When a nail or a fastener penetrates it, it literally self-heals right around it, so there are no leaks.
And this is under the shingles.
Yeah, where you can't see it and where it's easy for some contractors to cut corners.
Is there more?
Well, next, certified Master Elite contractors typically install high-quality roof deck protection.
What's that?
Well, again, you don't see it, so many contractors just throw up some cheap tar paper. But high-quality roof deck protection is an important extra layer under your shingles. It's sort of an insurance policy when wind-driven rain tries to blow up under your shingles.
After that, what's next?
Well, now we're getting ready to install your roof shingles.
Aren't there many types?
Oh, lots of types, and right now there are so many more options for homeowners than they ever had in the past. You have choices of various architectural and designer shingles like what you see here. And by the way, they're the most popular right now. You know, real estate people say that about 40% of the curb appeal of your home is created by your roof. So the best designs and colors can actually increase the resale value of your home. It can be a great investment.
Really?
Oh, yeah. When people walk up and look at your house, subconsciously, one of the first things they notice is the roof.
What else?
Attic ventilation, and this is a very critical area. It's one where most homeowners and even most roofing contractors make mistakes. You know, it's estimated that about 90% of the homes do not have enough attic ventilation.
But so what? Why should I care if there's a little moisture or hot air up in my attic? What does ventilation have to do with my roof anyway?
Oh, a lot. In the summer, if the attic gets overheated, it can actually fry your shingles. And that's not going to be covered by any shingle warranties. And in the winter, if the hot, moist air from inside your home gets trapped in that cold attic, it can actually soak your insulation and reduce its effectiveness by as much as half. Even just 2% moisture drops the insulating value by about a third. And that means higher energy bills. In fact, moisture can even work its way into the walls, so paint and wallpaper don't stick and have to be replaced much sooner. And in the worst case scenarios, that condensation can cause expensive structural damage and even mold growth, which can be a potential health problem for your family.
I had no idea.
Most people don't. So that's why we need to get that hot, moist air out of the attic. And I especially like to use a ridge vent for that whenever possible. And this works with intake vents, which allow the cool outside air to flow in, and which then pushes or exhausts the hot, moist air out of the attic and out of the house.
Okay, what's the next part of this weather stopper system?
It's like the topping on the cake. We have to cover that ridge vent. Now, Master Elite contractors will probably recommend a protective and distinctive hip and ridge cap shingle. You know, it's kind of like a frame for a painting. Without the frame, the painting looks good, but with it, it makes it look that much more special.
Finally, is there anything else I should consider?
Actually, there is. Skylights. Now, most people love the look of skylights and the warmth and beauty that they bring into your home. But what many homeowners haven't considered is that the easiest time to invest in a skylight is when you're replacing your roof. For a surprisingly small investment, you can add the beauty of natural light to your home to enjoy for years to come. And as part of the Weather Stopper system, they're even included in your roof warranty.
Joanne, thank you for helping us understand how we can make better roofing choices and recognize the common mistakes to avoid.
My pleasure.
Hopefully, you'll only roof once. Most of the expense isn't for the materials. Therefore, you should invest in using the very best local contractor to install them. It's just common sense to avoid being penny wise and pound foolish. When you get to the bottom line, there are a few documents that embody why your Master Elite contractor is your best and safest choice. First, there are the GAF enhanced warranties. Your certified Master Elite contractor is uniquely authorized to provide these two incredible options. Unlike typical warranties, this special protection gives you comprehensive coverage for your entire roofing system. That's backed by GAF. Most contractors provide manufacturer's warranties that only cover the shingles. But if your system fails because of one of the other roof system components, typically you're out of luck. What's more, most other product warranties only cover the cost of replacement materials, not the labor to install them for the majority of the warranty life. GAF's enhanced warranties more than double your upfront coverage compared to most standard roofing industry warranties. Installation labor is covered for the entire life of the warranty, not just the first few years. And if any GAF weather stopper product causes a roof failure, the entire system is covered. GAF can even arrange to have a GAF factory quality assurance representative inspect your roof, which can help prevent problems before they happen. And then there is the Master Elite Residential Roofing Certificate. 98 out of 100 roofing contractors in your neighborhood don't even qualify. That's because it's hard to earn. Your GAF Master Elite Residential Contractor is a neighbor and commits to being properly insured and licensed, professionally managed, and has a proven reputation with literally hundreds of satisfied homeowners in your community. And when they become a Master Elite Contractor, they commit to this simple pledge. We will suggest to you what we would do if this were our own home. We will install your roof as if we were working on our own home. We will treat you with the same respect as if you were part of our own family. And we won't end our work until we are sure that you are 100% satisfied. Summing up then, there is no reason why your roofing decision shouldn't be a great one. Making the right choices can protect and enhance the beauty of your home, increase its resale value, and provide you with the peace of mind you deserve. Reaping these benefits requires a contractor that you can depend on, with a roofing system you can depend on, backed by a manufacturer and a warranty that you can depend on. Only your GAF Master Elite Residential Contractor can meet all three requirements and provide you with more. Not only your safest choice, but your best choice. I'm Jim Hartz. Thank you for watching.